By default, the toilet monitor shows this screen to the public. The public screen consists of 3 screen elements. First of all, the customer is able to change the language by clicking the buttons on the side. The second part is information about the cleaning. It shows the current time and when the previous cleaning was done, and depending on the schedule, when the next cleaning will take place. The third and most important component of this screen is the customer feedback. Your customer can choose one of these emoticons to indicate his feedback on the toilet unit. If he presses one of the more happy smileys, your customer is simply thanked for his feedback. If the customer is selecting one of the less happy smileys, he is able to indicate what can be improved about your service. This then is sent to the software so you can consult it later.